allow anybody to tell you who you are. Show them who you are. Go back to that core. Go back to that story.
Sa bawat pagsusumikap na inyong pinagtutuunan, pagsikapan ninyong mag-iwan ng pamana ng malasakit at paggalang. As you embark on this new phase, the pride in your achievements and hold fast to your dreams. Sa bawat akbang ninyo, patungo sa hinaharap, huwag kalimutan ang inyong pinagmulan.
We are confident that our commencement speaker's words will provide them inspiration and invaluable guidance.
And nothing but a t-shirt and ripped up jeans. We are free. Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove.
Ang buhay ay hindi laging madali. Ngunit ang bawat pagsubok ay may dalang pagkakataon para sa pagunlad at paglago ng bawat isa sa inyo. You are now equipped with knowledge and skills that will serve as your tools in shaping the future.
This is when the moments turn to memories, memories.
As you graduate today, say, I love you to that person who deserves your love. Say, I love you because tomorrow is never promised. Say, I love you because tomorrow is never promised.
And time is moving faster than ever. We gotta try to capture forever enough. Yeah. And this is when the moments
Stop comparing yourself to others. You will find it. There is a job that is meant for you. There is something that is meant for you.
And this is when the moments turn to memories. And this is when the future gets so clear to see.
Stop worrying about kahapon. Stop worrying about what's going to happen tomorrow. Just be there. Just be present. Just show up and you will be all right.